Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about how to create your own manual data points. Now, manual data point may be useful anytime that data should not or cannot be collected automatically from a machine. There are a couple examples of this. For example, an OEE goal, a target that you want to reach. Well, the target is not going to be collected from the machine. The target is something you're going to set yourself. So an OEE target as monitored within StatusWatch would be a reasonable thing to monitor with a manual data point. Any other data that does not come directly from a machine may be represented in StatusWatch as a manual data point. Let's go ahead and get started, and we'll create one. We'll right-click somewhere in the white space here. We'll choose New Data Point, Manual Data Point. I'm going to create a new one, give it a name of, we'll call it OEE Goal. And I'm going to make this a continuous integer. I'm going to use a numeric value for my values of this. I won't tie it to any signatures at this time, but I could at this point if I so chose. We'll go ahead and hit save, only think for a moment, and then it'll appear right alongside of our other data points in our system. Now, similar to the state data point, this one is live immediately, but it's not populated with any value. It's not tied to any OPC server and any OPC tag, so it can't automatically collect data. For this instead, we'll use the raw data editor, which we'll introduce to you at this point. We right-click and choose Edit Raw Data. The raw data editor will launch, and you'll see right here one column exists and it says OEE Goal. You'll see there's no records for it because it's brand new. We haven't put anything in there. Let's put in a new one. Insert a timestamp. Hitting the Insert Timestamp button, the default time that gets in there is right now. And we'll punch in, because this is an integer, we'll punch in a numeric value. We'll say my OEE goal is 65. That's what I want to reach. Hit save. It'll think, tell me it's all been saved, and then I can close it. Easy as that. We've populated our first value in our manual data point. When I want to go back in and add new values, if my OEE goal changes, let's say for example I reach my goal, or any other performance goal you set for yourself, I've reached my goal and I decide I want to set the bar a little higher, I go in and I adjust that number up, put in a new record at the current timestamp, and put in a new value of maybe it's 70 now or 75. And as such, we can compare our OEE goal over time against our data. That's it for manual data points. It's really not very difficult at all, and we'll see you in the next video.